Hi, in this video I will show you how to make splatter effect or dispersion effect. Open new project and upload your photo. Go to upload. I uploaded early this photo and I will go to edit, grab magic. We select this person. Fit this background with the project. And resize this image and flip it. Now go to elements and make search for splatter. Choose graphics and look for your preferred splatter graphic. Choose this one. So go to color and choose the color for this area. So I will select maybe this one. It's good. And rotate the graphic and duplicate it. You can look for another splatter graphic like this one and choose the same color just to reduce time. Or you can also select the same color of this area. Or choose another one. And duplicate it. This one and choose the color of the face. And duplicate it for many times. So our photo is ready now. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in next tutorial.